You won't believe what's coming. The world's most advanced technologies for 2025 to 2030 are already here, and nobody is talking about them. From quantum breakthroughs to space tech that defies physics, the future just got way crazier than we imagined. So let's not waste a second. We're starting the points right now. Adras-J. Adras-J is the kind of space tech that feels straight up impossible. Yet it's happening right now. This 150-kilogram Japanese spacecraft actually chased down a dead, tumbling rocket booster from 2009 at over 500 kilometers altitude. It flew within just 15 meters, using laser sensors, infrared vision, and AI navigation to scan it in full detail. This is the world's first real attempt to inspect uncooperative space junk, and it's a massive step toward cleaning Earth's orbit before it becomes a war zone of debris. Greyshark. Greyshark is the underwater drone the world wasn't ready for. A 6.5-meter autonomous beast built for deep-sea missions that humans simply can't survive. It dives 650 meters, cruises at 10 knots, and travels over 1,100 nautical miles on fuel cells that keep it running for an unbelievable 16 weeks nonstop. Packed with 17 sensors and AI, it detects threats, avoids obstacles, and reshapes its mission in real time. This isn't a drone. It's a stealth submarine built for next-gen naval security. Kongsberg's USV. Kongsberg's USV is the kind of ocean tech that feels almost unreal. An unmanned surface vessel built to conquer missions that once demanded full crews. Its ultra-optimized hull, modular moon pool, bow, and hull mounts let it carry advanced sonar, research tools, and defense payloads with insane precision. With 200-plus hours of endurance and autonomous navigation powered by the K-Mate system, this USV can map seafloors, survey fisheries, and run scientific or military ops entirely on its own. It's the future of smart maritime exploration. Hovermap ST-X. Hovermap ST-X is the kind of tech that looks straight out of a sci-fi rescue mission. This lightweight IP65 rated lidar system can map pitch-black tunnels, GPS dead buildings, mines, and disaster zones with insane accuracy, capturing nearly 2 million points per second. Mounted on drones, vehicles, or even a backpack, it uses next-level SLAM autonomy and collision avoidance to navigate places humans can't. This is how engineers, explorers, and emergency teams see the unseen in the most dangerous environments. Kia Concept PV5. Kia's Concept PV5 is the kind of futuristic vehicle that makes regular vans look ancient. This modular EV can transform into a passenger shuttle, a cargo hauler, or even a full utility cab, all built on Kia's new eGMP skateboard platform. With up to 400 kilometers range, rapid 30-minute charging, a massive 3,615-liter storage option, ADAS tech, and a slick 12.9-inch cockpit, the PV5 feels more like a smart device on wheels. It's a bold preview of how future cities will move people and goods. Aerix Systems S1. Aerix Systems S1 is a drone so insanely agile, it feels like something the military would hide. This ultra-compact 40 by 40 centimeter beast can rotate 360 degrees in any direction, hit speeds of 200 kilometers per hour, fly 20 kilometers, and still carry a 1.5 kilogram payload. Its AI-assisted obstacle avoidance and autonomous plus FPV modes make it perfect for high-risk tactical missions. From counter-drone roles to precision strikes, The S1 isn't just fast, it's a next-generation aerial weapon built for extreme environments. Archer's Midnight eVTOL. Archer's Midnight eVTOL is the flying machine that proves the future of city travel is finally here. This sleek electric aircraft carries 1 pilot and 4 passengers, using 12 rotors, 6 tilt for transition and 6 lift only, to take off vertically and cruise at 150 miles per hour. With just 45 decibels of noise, it's quieter than a dishwasher, and it recharges in only 10 minutes for rapid back-to-back flights. Midnight is built for real urban air mobility, not science fiction. Vbot Agent Robot. Vbot Agent Robot is the home robot we all thought was decades away, but it's already here and shockingly advanced. Using Vision Language Action AI, it understands natural commands, moves autonomously, and interacts like a real assistant without any remote control. Its dual cameras, 360-degree lidar, and powerful battery let it navigate your home, carry items, record video, and even help kids or the elderly. This isn't a toy, it's an enemy, a kidwinonorn. It's the first true multi-role family robot built for real daily use. Microsoft Majorana 1. Microsoft's Majorana 1 is the quantum breakthrough nobody saw coming. A chip so advanced it could rewrite the future of computing. Built on a topological core using exotic Majorana particles, this processor creates ultra-stable qubits that barely lose information. It currently has 8 qubits, but is designed to scale to 1 million on a palm-sized device. With simplified error correction and insanely stable quantum states, Majorana 1 could unlock solutions to problems today's supercomputers can't even touch. This is quantum computing's next giant leap. OCTA Body Soul Seats. OCTA Body Soul Seats turn your car into a full-blown sensory experience, something you'd expect in a sci-fi luxury pod. Installed in the new Range Rover Defender OCTA, these seats use next-level vibro-acoustic tech powered by SubPack to let you feel the music through your body. 6 built-in wellness programs blend deep bass vibrations with premium materials to boost relaxation, focus, and comfort. It's not just seating, it's an immersive mind and body upgrade for every drive. Black Pearl Sail. Black Pearl is the kind of super yacht that makes every other luxury vessel look outdated. This 345-foot sailing monster uses futuristic Dynarig technology with 370-foot carbon mass and nearly 3,000 square meters of sail that deploy in under 7 minutes. Absolutely insane for a yacht its size. Built for extreme performance and ultra-luxury, it hosts 12 guests, a crew of 27, and hits speeds up to 24.5 knots. With hybrid propulsion and cutting-edge design, Black Pearl is a floating masterpiece of engineering. Introducing Aerix. Aerix is one of the most shocking space innovations of this decade. A delivery vehicle that can drop cargo anywhere on Earth in under an hour. Pre-positioned in low Earth orbit, it falls on command, survives hypersonic re-entry at over Mach 20, and lands within 50 feet using parachutes. Its autonomous payload bay can carry mission-critical supplies to hostile or remote zones instantly. With its first flight set for 2026, ARC is about to rewrite global logistics and military response forever. Penguinsinnovate White Rabbit. White Rabbit by Penguinsinnovate is the silent weapon powering the future of AI and quantum computing, and almost nobody knows it exists. This cutting-edge platform is built to handle insane data speeds with ultra-low latency, letting quantum clusters and advanced AI systems communicate faster than ever before. By boosting synchronization and bandwidth, it removes one of the biggest bottlenecks in next-gen computing. White Rabbit isn't just an upgrade. It's the hidden backbone that could accelerate breakthroughs across the entire tech world. Windcat Corporate. Windcat Corporate is transforming offshore travel in a way that feels almost unreal. Their fleet of 55-plus advanced crew transfer vessels dominates Europe's wind, oil, and gas sectors, built for extreme safety, speed, and comfort even in rough seas. Now they're pushing things even further with hydrogen-powered vessels designed to slash emissions while boosting performance. From supporting massive offshore wind farms to enabling critical marine operations, Windcat is quietly shaping the future of clean, efficient ocean transport. INMO Air3. INMO Air3 is the kind of AR tech that makes regular smart glasses look ancient. These ultralight glasses pack a full 1080p micro OLED display with a crisp 36-degree field of view, powered by a Snapdragon processor, 8 GB RAM, and 128 GB storage. Basically a mini computer on your face. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, motion sensors, and a 16-megapixel camera, they blur the line between digital and real life. Work, entertainment, navigation, everything happens right in front of your eyes. Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle. Aptera's solar electric vehicle is the kind of futuristic ride that makes traditional EVs look outdated overnight. This ultra-light, teardrop-shaped machine gets up to 400 miles of range, and that's before the sun kicks in. With 700 watts of integrated solar panels, it can generate up to 40 miles of free daily driving, meaning over 10,000 miles a year without charging. A 42 kilowatt-hour battery, 201 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, and a mind-blowing 0.13 drag coefficient make it one of the most efficient vehicles ever built. The future isn't coming. It's already exploding into reality with tech that feels impossible. From quantum breakthroughs to space delivery vehicles, we're witnessing the start of a whole new era. Tell me in the comments, which technology shocked you the most? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The next tech revolution is just getting started.